Hello, everyone. First of all, I'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who participated in our sweepstakes and shared ideas for future hands-on tutorials. We got a really strong set of suggestions. They are all practical, diverse, and very aligned with whatever developers actually want to build and learn. So seriously, a huge thank you for taking the time. Before we proceed, let me quickly highlight some of the themes that we saw across all of your submissions. So obviously we couldn't forget about object script and core development, about development tools and workflows. Of course, Python continues to be a hot topic, together with DevOps, Docker and Kubernetes, API, and we can't forget fire and healthcare solutions. So overall, a really impressive mix of beginner-friendly content. And now let's go to the fun part. So here is my table with everyone who participated in this sweepstakes. I'm gonna copy it into a very nice table. And then I'm gonna get everyone who suggested an idea and put it into my wheel of names. So let's spin the wheel and see who is the lucky winner of our gift. And it is Kate Lau. Congratulations! So we'll be reaching out to you directly with the details about your prize. And once again, a huge thank you to everyone who contributed ideas. Even if you didn't win, your suggestions are incredibly valuable and will absolutely influence our upcoming tutorial roadmap. In any case, stay tuned. We've got some great hands-on content coming your way, and some more sweepstakes as well. So, thanks again, and see you soon. Bye-bye.